سورة الطارق.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والسماء والطارق.
By the heaven and the night coming.
وما أدراك ما الطارق.
And what will make you know what the night comer is?
النجم الثاقب.
It is the star of piercing brightness.
إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ.
There is no human being but has a protector over him, writing his good and bad deeds.
فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق.
So let man see from what he is created.
خلق من ماء دافق.
He is created from a water gushing forth.
يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب.
Proceeding from between the backbone and the ribs.
إنه على رجعه لقادر.
Verily, he is able to bring him back to life.
يوم تبلى السرائر.
The day when all the secrets will be examined.
فما له من قوة ولا ناصر.
Then he will have no power nor any helper.
والسماء ذات الرجع.
By the sky which gives rain again and again.
والأرض ذات الصدع.
And the earth which splits.
إنه لقول فصل.
Verily, this is the word that separates.
وما هو بالهزل.
And it is not a thing for amusement.
إنهم يكيدون كيدا.
Verily, they are but plotting a plot.
وأكيد كيدا.
And I too am planning a plan.
فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا.
So give a respite to the disbelievers. Deal gently with them for a while.